Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we quickly move our single column or multiple columns within the Excel worksheet. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have few columns. For example, if I want to move this column D, so either I click on the top of the column or place the cursor within the column and then press Control Space. It will select the column for me. To move the column, if I go towards the corner of this column, you can see the plus button. If you see the plus symbol, just click and keep hold of it and drag it wherever you want to drag. It will move the column for me. Control Z to go back. And if I want to move multiple column, again, either select from the top or place the cursor within those columns and then press Control Space. It will select columns for me. Again, go towards the corner of these columns, and when you see the plus symbol, just click and drag from and it will move data for me. Control Z to go back. So this was to move the column within your worksheet. If I want to move rows within the worksheet, so again, either I can select the row by click on the left hand side of the row, or place the cursor within the row and then press Shift Space. It will select row for me. After selection of rows, again go towards the corner of this row, and then when you see plus symbol, just keep hold of click button and just drag wherever you want to drag, and it will move the row for me. Control Z to go back. Again, to move the multiple row, select those rows either by clicking or place the cursor within these two rows and then press Shift Space. It will select rows for me. And to move the rows, again, when you see the plus symbol at the right or the left corner of the row, then click, keep hold of it, and move the row wherever you want to move. Control Z to go back. So these were the shortcut keys, the quick way to move the column and row within your worksheets. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.